Let's look at some of the film-related vocabulary. Action, film or movie. A film with many exciting and violent scenes. Our teenage boys love watching action movies. Cast. All the actors and actresses in a film or TV show. It had a good cast, but the story wasn't very interesting. Character. One of the people in a story. Harry likes movies with lots of interesting and unusual characters. Cinema. A place where films are shown on a big screen. Let's meet in front of the cinema just before the movie starts. Comedy. A film with lots of funny scenes. Let's see a comedy and have a good laugh. Director. The person in charge of making a film. The director gets really angry when actors forget their lines. Documentary. A film that's about real people, events, or issues. How can you eat junk food after seeing the documentary Super Size Me? Drama. A film about realistic characters in dramatic situations. Maria loves legal dramas with lots of courtroom scenes. Entertainment. Enjoyment from films, concerts, and TV shows. Airlines offer plenty of entertainment on their flights these days. Family film or movie. A film that both children and adults can enjoy. Which entertainment company made the family movies Cinderella and 100 Dalmatians? Film or movie. Terms used for describing a motion picture. This year's Academy Award for Best Picture was won by a British film. Genre. A kind or style of music, film, TV show or painting. For film class, we had to compare movies from two different genres, such as comedy and horror. Horror film or movie. A film that frightens and shocks people. If you love horror movies, you've got to see Fright Night. Film or movie star. A very popular film actor or actress. Movie stars earn millions of dollars every time they play a role. Plot. The series of events that form the main story. It was a good film, but the plot was difficult to follow at times. Scene. A small part of a film. The opening scene showed a young man leaving prison and walking to a bus stop. Sci-fi or science fiction. A genre with stories set in the future or in outer space. Have you seen that sci-fi film Interstellar yet? Screen. The flat surface that a film is projected onto. Do you like sitting at the back or close to the screen?